Hi everyone, welcome to the part 8 video of building generative AI applications with the help of GenAI stack. In this video, we are going to use the multimodal component from GenAI to generate images or voice speech with the help of a simple text prompt. So let's start building the stack. I'll create a new stack. Keep in mind, for using the multimodal component, we need to have a text generation stack. So I'll click on that. Firstly, let's explore the multimodal component. So I'll go to the left hand pane and select the OpenAI text to image. This component requires an OpenAI API key that you can get from platform.openai.com. It also requires a prompt that will have the information of how the output image will look like. And you can also select the quality of image and you can toggle it from standard to HD. So I'll keep this standard for now and I'll define the prompt firstly. For that, I'll be using the simple prompt template. I'll connect the prompt template with the prompt and I'll define my prompt. So I have defined the prompt which will generate the image of an animal. So animal is the variable which can vary from dog to cat to koala bear or anything else, as Captain America, which is a superhero. So I will click on check and save. So here we have our animal. So I'll define the animal with the help of an input. So I'll drag and drop the input component. So I'll make space for it and I'll connect both of the components together. And the input key will be animal because the variable in the prompt template is animal. And after that the input type should be text. So I'll click on that and the input value can be a raccoon, let's say. So now since we have defined our prompt and gave values to it, we have to connect the OpenAI text to image, which is the multimodal component, to the output component. So let's click on the output and drag and drop the text generation output component and then connect both of these components. Now the structure of our entire stack is ready, but before that we have to put the OpenAI API key to facilitate or start the process. So I'll do that right now. I've put the OpenAI API key and now I will build the stack using the build stack button present on the bottom right portion of our screen. So let's click on that. Once the stack is ready, you will get a message that stack is ready to test. So after that, we will click on the text generation button present just below the build stack button. Now as you can see, our stack is ready to test. Let's click on the text generation button. Since we already have defined our prompt, we will get the desired output right now. So as you can see, we have got an image of a raccoon which is in a Captain America suit. So I think the image that has been generated is quite accurate according to the prompt. So this is how the OpenAI text to image component works. Right now we will look into the other multimodal component, which is the OpenAI text to speech. For that we have to delete the first three components. Now we will drag and drop the OpenAI text to speech component and then join both of these components like this. Similar to the OpenAI text to image component, this component also requires an OpenAI API key, a text input which will be converted to speech. For example, if I write hello, this is a human being speaking, so the output component will sound like a person speaking the exact same sentence. And we can also choose the type of vocal tone that will be there in the output. So I have put a value in every field and the text input in this case is hello, this is a human speaking. And I have also put my OpenAI API key to facilitate the process of generating the speech. So right now since we have our stack ready, let's start building the entire stack. So our stack is ready to test. Let's test our stack. So it will automatically generate the speech for you and you can download it using the button here. You can also play it and hear what it sounds like. So as you can see, building this entire application took me just a few minutes. So you can also experiment with your own prompts that will be converted to speech or that can be used to generate an image. If you liked the video, then please let us know by clicking on the like button and subscribing to the channel. We will release more videos in this series, so stay tuned for that. Thank you.